Okay, so Tony, this is the workflow for the Eureka grinder. So weigh the dose, I'm using 19 grams. Here we go, 19. I just lift it up from there, tip her in, and then using a portafilter funnel, grind this in. Once you can hear the beans have stopped, then just give it a couple of pumps. You'll see that, and that's the remainder of the grinds coming out. I also use a distribution tool with the filter still in. Just give it a couple of swirls on that, a couple of taps, get a flat base, and then the OCD tool, or if you're using, okay, a puck filter, and then I pre-infuse, which in terms of daily cleaning, the only thing you need to do is, if you have a look in here, you'll get a bit of coffee caught around the rim. So before I start grinding, I'll just give that a bit of a clean, a bit of a purge. And again, always a good idea to use the bellows, just pump that out, and then you've got, and as you can see, there's very little retained. But anyway, in terms of once a month type cleaning, all you need to do is take off this little Eureka badge. You'll see the screw there. Undo that screw. You don't need to take it all the way out. And that should then lift. Take that off. This should then lift off. And then you've got 3 screws here. So the bottom burr is the one that moves, so you just need to remove the 3 screws from here. And the third. Which will take the top burr off. And that just needs a bit of a clean, and that needs a bit of a clean. So that's about a month's worth of gunk. The other thing is that the chute, which is down here, it's got electrostatic, oh, it's just in here, yeah, it's got electrostatic forks in there to stop. Just need to give this a bit of a clean. Brush is always a great little tool for this one. And similarly with the top grinder, we give that a bit of a clean. So what I use to clean out the electrostatic is this canned air. Basically give a bit of a squirt in here. So once it's all clean, it's just a question of putting that burr back on and tightening up the 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. You'll get a feel for how much you need to tighten them, but just don't over tighten would be my advice. So just bingo the third. Then we put the top back on. You'll see that the notch in the top here goes there. Down, push it down, and then just tighten the screw at the back. Once that's tight, all we need to do then is to put the badge back on. And there the grinder is clean, looking like I bought one.